How many different types of candy are there? Notice in our last aggregate we got a result that it listed each individual value of candy. So there's a document in this result for each unique value of candy. But how many are there? Well, so we could manually count them and keep typing IT, but can we do a query that will actually return that value? Remember that we did one where it counted every value in the entire collection. We want to know how many documents were in the entire collection. And what we did is we used null as the ID so that it would include every document, and then we just counted it with the sum of 1. Well, that's what we want to do, but we don't want to do it on the entire collection. We want to do it on this result set. Well, the way that aggregation works, this aggregate function, is that they call it the pipeline. It says what it does is one thing and then the next. So if we go ahead and do this group first, that gives us this result set, and then based on that group we can actually get a total count of how many documents are in there. So we don't need the sort, but what we'll do is we'll do that group again, and this will be based on that result set because it's the second thing in the pipeline. And for ID we're going to set it to null because we want to count everything in that result set. And the second one property is going to just be, I'm going to call the field count, and it's going to be a sum just using 1, and that will just give us a true count. So notice how that's exactly how we did it before. Okay, let's see what we get when we do this. First we get this result set that we're expecting where we have one document for each unique value of candy, and then we'll count from that group set, we'll count them and see if we get a total count of how many there are. And there we go. We get a count of 58.